I greet each of you. Today we are going to see how the universe is inside you. The universe is inside you. You are like a seed that contains the entire universe inside of you. Our body is made up of 5 basic elements. Our body is made up of 5 basic elements. You might have known all this. This talk can be a self-examination and a deeper understanding for you. Understanding through knowledge, through this, does not help you to live. Understanding the same in knowledge and putting it into your intelligence, then you start living them. When you start living them, it becomes your body intelligence. You get many powers. You know, this body is made up of 5 elements. The first one is soil, mud, earth. Earth is a combination of everything, but I would like to call only the soil or a mud. The element of the mud, element of the soil is in your body. There are certain parts that it dominates this aspect, that is the mud aspect of the body, mud aspect of life. There are certain inner parts that's dominated by the element of the mud. There is a mud in this universe. There is a soil, mud in this universe. There is also the same element inside your body. These both need to be in balance, in equilibrium. When this is in equilibrium condition, then you are healthy. For this we take a mud bath. Mud bath, that is, we take certain herbs, take the extract of your place, choose the herbal plants, harmless herbal plants of your place, take the mud without much infection, take that mud, put that extract into the soil, go into a private place, apply all over your body, stand under the sun. The sun will take all this water and the body will absorb the water. And the equilibrium of the outside and the inside will take place, and then you feel very, very fresh. And the equilibrium takes place concerning this mud, concerning the soil. There is a second element, water. 2/3 of the body is consist of water. Water in every cell. And there are organs that produces liquid. And there is a liquid running all over the body. Same way, the earth also has the liquid that runs through. There is a liquid running inside the earth. There is a water running inside the earth. There is a water running from the mountain. There is a water in every living creature. There is a water stagnant in a pond. And there is a collection of water called sea. The same elements stay in the body. The dynamics are the same, my friends. You are like a potential seed of the universe. You are like a potential seed of this universe. This water has to be balanced outside and inside of you. When the weather is very dry and you want to drink more water, to cope with, because the body uses more water to be in that heat level. When both heat are same, warmth are same, then you don't feel exhausted. So the body also maintains same level of water. Two-thirds of the world also consists of water. There is a running water, there is an underground water, there is a water secreting from the earth. Same way in our body, there is a running fluid, there is a secreting fluid, there is a fluid contained like you have urine or something like that, and there is a fluid is collected, and the very blood is a fluid that runs through. In every cell there is a fluid. So my friends, there is a water element in the body. So the third element is fire. In the universe there is a fire. In your body there is a fire. There are different internal organs in your body that are dominated by water element, and another internal organ is dominated by earth element, and there are other internal organs dominated by the fire. You have fire in the world. There are 3 types of fire in the world, that is sun, moon, and the fire element which is there in all 5 elements of the earth. Earth is having fire, water is having fire, and fire is having fire, and breeze is air is having fire, and then the ether is having fire. Every element is intertwined, but it contains each other. So in the same way, my friends, you find fire. In your body, there are times that the temperature increases. When the body temperature increases, what happens? You see the thermometer and then you check. There are times the body heat is more and it burns, but when you keep the thermometer, it is not showing. There is a particular heat in sexuality, and that heat is not shown in the thermometer. So there are different types of fires. We have it in our body. So these outside fire, the element of the earth's fire and the body element of the body fire, have to be in balance. Only then you stay healthy. There are certain internal organs and skin, like it is meant only for fire elements, dominated by fire element in your body. And the next comes air. There is air in the universe. There is air in your body. There are 10 types of air in your body. Same way, you have in the universe different types of air. It is through this air the movement takes place in the body. It is through air that the movement takes place. There is a particular air to blink your eyebrow, blink your eyelids, to blink. There is particular air. There is a particular air to breathe, a particular air for you to swallow the food, particular air to exit the shit, and for everything, 10 types of air in the body. If there is a problem with this air, we go to gastritis. We go to the doctor connected to the gas. And my friends, it can create real problems for you if it is not balanced. Air. There is also an element of air in the earth. There is a storm. Heavy storm comes. Air comes pushing. The earth comes this, that, and equilibrium is balanced. not balanced. So, there is another element of the earth is ether. Ether has life. All these 5 elements have life, my friends. The earth is having, the mud is having life. It can nourish every living being. And the water has life. You can make the water die by boiling it, or by contaminating the water dies. Air. You can make the air die. The pure air lives. And there is a fire. Fire also, you can quench the fire. You can kill the fire. And then this ether also has life, and all of us keep breathing the prana, ether. It is one ether that connects the entire universe. Every living being is being connected by this life, ether. It has life. There are certain planets, the ether is not available. Space is there, but there is a life element is not there. Other planets, but no ether in other planets, and it is not living. So my friends, these 5 elements stay in your body. These 5 elements stay in this universe. Both find equilibrium to live with. Only then you can be healthy. There is nobody called individuals in this world. All of us are sharing the same 5 elements of the earth. Every lizard, every snake, and every goat, and every dog, and every donkey, every chicken, and every fish share the same aspect of these 5 elements. Should we kill them? Yes. Only as much you want, you take. And don't keep on killing one particular plant. Don't keep on killing one animal. As far as it is possible, the higher beings we don't kill. The lower beings called small greeneries, small grass, and all this. We eat and we manage our lives because we all share the same earth. We depend on each other for our living. So I'm happy that I have spoken to you the 5 basic elements in the world, in the universe, and in our body. May God give us the wisdom to bring equilibrium, to stay in love with the universe. All of us are one. There is nothing called you and me. It is Maya. Bye then till we meet.